Manipur's Chief Minister N Biren Singh has said his state needs an atmosphere where the law and order situation is conducive to AFSPA being repealed. He says while he is himself against the law as head of the state, he also has to weigh national security concerns.
Mr. Singh, you're talking about peace, and when we talk about peace, perhaps the biggest question is that in Manipur, Armed Forces Special Power Act has been once again imposed. Now there has been opposition to this act in Manipur across Northeast. What is going to be your party's take, given the fact that your main opposition, Congress, has already made it a poll issue?
Now you see, AFSPA is a concern of the Northeast, particularly for Manipur also. The AFSPA was lifted from the 7th segment of the Imphal Municipal Council in the last, regime, by the last regime. But they are not able to live from the entire state, even from the greater Imphal, because they also know the ground reality. For me also, for the BJP-led government also here we are facing some problems. I myself is against this law of this act. But on the other hand, as a responsible person at the head of the state, I have to see the nation's security, national security also. After the taunting accident, Nagaland government has lifted AFSPA, but center has reimposed. Then what is the use? So what I am trying to, to bring a conducive atmosphere in the state. Conducive atmosphere, law and order, and seeing the prevailing situation in a neighboring country, we have to see also. But with the coming of the election knocking at the door, many vested interested group, politically instigated or something, is happening. Just one colonel were killed along his family. Very shocking news. And recently also, even in the Lilong, one Assam Rifle person were martyred, one injured. And 2-3 areas grenade was hurled and exploded. So we have to see the ground reality. We should not go on emotion. We should not go, because national security is first. BJP has given the most long due demand of the people of the state, long due desire of the state is inner line permit.